Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my natural everyday makeup routine.
Only kisses passing by the river.
Okay, so the first thing I do is I put on some hydrating face primer. But yeah, I just like to apply this. Okay, so I've gotten that all blended in, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some of my blush here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take my blush brush. And I used to do like only the apples on my cheeks, but now lately I've been like going around, venturing out a little more, so that's what I'm gonna do. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and do some highlighter, if I can open it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. I use this brush. I'm not really sure what it's for. I'm not a makeup artist, but this has like a slant, if you can see that, a slight slant down. So I like to use it for highlighter so I can like put it right on my cheekbone. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not really good with makeup. This is just what I do. This is not a tutorial. Yeah. This is not a tutorial. When I do my eyeshadow, I usually like to, I take a little bit of this color right here, and I will prime my eyelids with that color. Is that the right word? I don't know if I'm even doing any of this right. I'm not, again, I'm not a makeup artist, so heck do I know. But yeah, I just put a little on like that. Oh, okay, and then I go ahead and put that away. I like to use a flat brush for that part, but then I go ahead and grab this brush, which is more like out. Yeah, so I'm going to take a little bit of these. I would use one of these red colors, but today I'm going to use this middle one right here, and I just put that in the crease of my eyelid. So then I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of this brown right here, and I'm going to just put it like that. But I'm going to show you guys the last two things that I do. My hair is falling out because my hair does not like scrunchies. The last thing that I'll do, the last thing that I'll do is I'm going to do some mascara. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys on, when will I see you? Oh, I will see you guys on Wednesday.